Okay, I never really got a shot. I was kind of hoping to get this whole tree in my videos, but you can only probably see the other end. But okay, so yeah, here it is. A little closer look at the Christmas tree. There we are, the angel on top. Actually, yeah, I used yarn labels. My yarn labels from the local yarn shop for little mini skeins, and I just put them all and made them garland on my tree. Those are my net ornaments. Got a pattern for those. Right now they're red, white, and blue because we're in July. That's why. So, okay. Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and you are watching the Christmas in July video series. Not too often I have a coffee mug in my videos. Well, there's tea in this one because I usually don't drink coffee regularly unless it's full of sugar and whipped cream. But anyway, this particular mug I picked up while I was stationed in Germany. If you don't regularly watch my videos, I have served time in the Air Force for like 20 years. And I worked in ground radio maintenance. So while I was stationed in Germany, we got to take advantage of the Christmas markets, which are huge in Germany and so much fun. I think I have not been to Chicago, but I believe there is a big Christmas market in Chicago. I think I would like to check it out, but we're not. I know for sure my husband's not keen on going to really, really big cities, and I don't think he's up to going to Chicago. But anyway, now to segue now that I brought up my husband, he is still in a rehab facility and he hasn't been home yet since April, but we're hoping by the end of this week, by Friday, that we will see him. So I am recording this on the 4th of July, so I hope you all have a happy 4th. That's if you're in the United States. So today I will be visiting my husband because there's some festivities going on, like trivia and a party, and I will join him for that later. So there, I will finish up this tea, which is practically almost, actually it's almost finished. Ooh, I'm not sure if I mentioned it was lemon. So this video, I think I'm going to concentrate on some fidget toys. K&K Crochet, who's doing Christmas extravaganza all this month, had scrunchies on their third day video. Yeah, it would be yesterday's video, a third day video. And they also tried to spin it as it can be for anybody, and it can be used as a fidget toy. So hey, by far my most popular pattern on my channel is this fidget toy right here. Of course I did it in Christmas colors. Obviously it is kind of scrunchy. You can hang it and use it as an ornament, or you can put it maybe on your presents and use it as a bow. But probably the most ingenious feature is that you can keep pulling on it and pulling on it and, yeah, and pulling on this. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Look, we just keep pulling on this. So my other pattern, which is also somewhat popular, is this cute little guy. It is my You Are My Sunshine doll. Probably called it that because my original ones in the video was yellow, but you don't have to be yellow. This one's my first one, my prototype per se, and I didn't include, so it just doesn't have the peacock edges around the head to join it. There, that's cute. Yeah, and they're cute. How can you not look at this doll and just kind of make you smile if you're having a bad day? Plus, you know, it's got the little fidgety little arms and the curly arms and legs to fidget with. And you got the little, I guess you can fidget with the little peacock edging, but yeah, this little pattern he's gaining some traction too. Oh, and it is so cute. So we have this little guy. The other fidget toy I have that I have on my channel are these donuts. Something, I got something that you guys can hold. I mean, I guess you can adjust your filling. I think one of these I thought had like plastic. It had plastic in it, and you can. Some people might like that plastic sound. This particular donut has a marble in it, so you can like push the little marble in it. So I got those. So I haven't got a pattern for this yet, but it's up and coming. Because if you've seen any of my other work in progress videos, where did it go? Okay, I've been trying to make the rainbow, or in this case, it's a half circle with a nice little. It's a little trace, something to run your finger and trace. I was inspired because my daughter gave me a sticker. A moment. Here it is in here. Yeah, she gave me this sticker. I don't think you see that. It has a texture on it. Oh, and it says trace each color, breathe deeply, and be present. And then you just trace the hand on these stickers. So that's kind of cool. So I was trying to replicate that with this. I don't know if I can, yeah, I don't know if I could, I suppose I could, unless I had ombre type yarn. I suppose I can do something like this on the changing colors. So anyway, I digress. I think this is pretty cool. Even the back looks cool. So I mean, anyway, just so you know that it is just a half circle. That is, that's with 8 single crochets, and I just going back and forth. You just increase 4 stitches. Actually, no, it's 8. It's 4. It starts out with 4 single crochets, and then you increase 4 for each round. I did it till I thought it was semi big enough, or actually I ran out of yarn. And then this single crochet is that you just work around. I don't know if you can probably see better from the back, that you work around single crochet posts. Do the single crochets to make the track. So alright, that's a future tutorial. I also might make an actual circle and then just trace it with a circle. Oh, also, if you're still not wearing, I'm wearing this spiral necklace, which I think I've seen. I don't know if it's really, I would say, gaining traction, but I see people have been looking at this one too. It is kind of cool. It looks like it would have some fidget qualities that you can play with, and you could probably actually use a pattern and make it as trim on your tree too. So yeah, this is, and then for anything for that matter, you could just start in the center, just make gradual increase and make a bunch of increases to give the Möbius, to make like a Möbius toy to fidget, play with. And like I says, I think I've actually made Möbius balls as decoration. Instead of a bow, I would use these on my Christmas presents. Also, on my blog, I did a post that I list some patterns that would make great Christmas presents. That not only includes mine patterns, but I also list other people's patterns that I thought could make some interesting Christmas presents. So I hope you get a chance to go into the description. I hope you get a chance to get into the description and check out my blog post for some interesting Christmas ideas. So that is all I have. If you did like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.